Hello, everyone. This is Captain Jang. Oh, hello, Ryan.
Hello.
Yeah. How are you doing?
Oh, I'm good. I'm doing good.
Yeah. Alright. Yeah. It's 1700, and yeah, I've got up just before and course and my kitties. Where are they? And they bothered my sleeping last night, and I couldn't sleep well. Anyway, yeah. Today, I'm going to introduce you to some nice programs with great interpretation system, and its name is Talkman. Yeah. Hello, do. Yeah. Alright. Now, and Ryan, we show you the functions of a Talkman. Okay. So, what do you want to say?
화장실 어디예요?
Yeah, alright. Okay, in Japanese?
Yes.
In Japanese?
トイレはどこですか?
Okay, he input toilet wa doko desu ka? Where is toilet? In Japanese into this system, and then this system will interpret that into French. Okay.
トイレはどこですか?
Okay, one more time.
Où se trouvent les toilettes? Pourriez-vous me montrer sur la carte?
Whoa! Wow! Yeah, did you see that? And I think making a shit is more important than eating and drinking, especially you are in other countries. Yeah, for your manner, for your self-reliance. Yeah. So actually, this Talkman2 contains 6 languages: English, Japanese, French, German, and Spanish, Italian, and in each language can be translated into the other languages. There's a great features of this game, of this interpreter system. Okay, thanks for watching my video. See you next time. Bye. Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.